You finally gathered the motivation to clean, you grab your Dyson V8 vacuum, pull the trigger, and absolute silence. No lights, no motor, just your own heavy sigh. So why is your vacuum ghosting you? Usually it isn't a motor failure. It's almost always caused by a faulty battery. Over time, these lithium-ion cells can wear out or develop a fault that prevents the vacuum from even trying to start. Ignoring a dead battery isn't just inconvenient. Over time, faulty cells can degrade further, potentially leaking or causing permanent damage to the internal circuitry. Don't worry, you've come to the right place. RoboCare has the exact fix to revive your machine. At RoboCare, we don't just fix vacuums, we specialize in Dyson technology. We understand exactly how these machines think, and more importantly, why they stop thinking. When it comes to Dyson repair, we've seen and solved it all. We don't believe in guesswork. Our team uses specialized battery diagnostic tools to communicate directly with the vacuum's internal management system. This allows us to pinpoint exactly why the battery has failed. Once diagnosed, we carefully remove the faulty power pack and replace it with genuine components. We ensure every connection is secure and every cell is balanced, restoring your vacuum to its peak performance. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Look at that power. This Dyson V8 vacuum hits like it's brand new. Full suction, long runtime, and zero frustration. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If your Dyson V8 won't turn on, please don't throw it away. Give the experts at RoboCare a call. RoboCare was professional and honestly, they saved my sanity. I cannot recommend them enough.
Ready to revive your vacuum cleaner? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.